Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM hinin kasngi artarik nailar kalaya Shimbynta lang lengba ka online bat ki ki school college bat ki school ba pher na kaleng kari India ban sakhi ya kajing pelat pat ba ya kan Nasha Mukt Yuva Viksit Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan kabala penlong do menteri rang badu kari India Narendra Modi na New Delhi. Ya kini ka Prokram ha USTM la penlong ha ka Central Auditorium jaga school ba hari bhoi district. Ledan lang Chancellor ka USTM u Mabubul Hok u Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. GD Sharma u Additional Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi u Nippon Hajong MCS ki officer ke NIC rengkat ki nong hikai ki Samla puli bat ki NSS volunteers. Kajing thumu jong ka program ka long ban pensngot ho ki Samla halor ki jing ma jong ka jing pendan kam ye ki jing di penbuat bat ban penklan ya ka thong ban te ya ka ri India ka balat na ki jing di penbuat. Menteri rang badu ha ka jingkran jong ula kentui ki Samla ban shim ya ka benta ka bakrau ha ka jingte ya ka Nasha Mukt Bharat da ka baong ba ki Samla ki ba koit ba khia ki badan ka jingkit khli bat ki bala penklan ki long ki ba kongsan ban poi sha ka thong jong ka Viksit Bharat ula kenturu ya ki jaka pule ki yeng ki sem bat ka imlang sa lang ban ya trelang ban ni khun persha ya ka jing pendan kam ya ki jing di penbuan. Chancellor ulapan pau ya kajing IT jong ka USTM ban trelang bat ki senjam jong ka sarkar India bat ka sarkar Meghalaya ki bayadei bat ka baha ka miat jong ka imlang salang bat ka jing te ya ka ri ADC ka ri bhoi ula kenturu ya ki Samla ban long kinong pensngo thu pat ba bat kinong yalam khtien jong ka Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan ha ki shnong bat ki than jong ki ha ka bakut kinong ya Shimbynta kila shim ya ka jing kular ban yada na ka jing pendan kam ya ki jing di penbuat bat ban ya Shimbynta lang ban te ya ka ri India ka bakot bakhia ka baklan bat ka bakiu shaprang.
आने वाले 100 रविवार नशा मुक्त भारत की दिशा में 100 मजबूत कदम हो गए 100 मजबूत स्टेप्स। साथियों, आज हजारों स्कूलों कॉलेजों और यूनिवर्सिटी के लाखों विद्यार्थी इस कार्यक्रम से ऑनलाइन जुड़े हैं। माय भारत के वॉलंटियर्स भी लाखों की तादाद में इससे जुड़े हैं। मेरे एनएसएस के नौजवान भी आज हमारे साथ शामिल हैं। देश के अलग अलग क्षेत्रों से, अलग अलग संस्थानों से, अलग अलग बैकग्राउंड के 1 करोड़ से अधिक युवा आज एक साथ है। मेरा आप सभी से आग्रह है, आप सब इस बड़े मूवमेंट के लीडर हैं। आपने मेरे इस विश्वास को और मजबूत किया है कि भारत का युवा कितना जागरूक है, कितना समझदार है और अपने कर्तव्यों के प्रति कितना गंभीर है। मैं आप सभी को इस अभियान के लिए अनेक अनेक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। मेरे युवा साथियों, आप भारत की अमृत पीढ़ी है। आप अगले 20-25 वर्षों में अपने जीवन को भी दिशा देंगे और आप ही 2047 में देश को विकसित भारत की मंजिल तक लेकर जाएंगे और उसके शिखर पर आप ही बैठे होंगे। उसका सारा रसपान करने का अवसर आप ही को मिलने वाला है। देश को आपकी ऊर्जा, आपकी कल्पना शक्ति और आपकी टैलेंट की जरूरत है।
An occasion for me where I can share my delightful moment with an institution of such a higher learning and with such a magnanimous presence in the region. This is my first and maiden visit to the university. I'm a student record. I'm extremely delighted with the kind of arrangement have been made. With this sprawling hall having a capacity of 5,000 itself speaks about the infrastructural support and the capacity of the university. The PMO having chosen USTM and the Ministry of Youth Affairs itself speaks all about the importance of USTM in the region. Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan is special dedication to the youth on this day, where the Honorable Prime Minister himself has chosen to interact with not less than 10,000 centers across lakhs of students in the country. We are proudly privileged. Once again, I'm delighted to be part of this program, and it just takes me back to my earlier days. As a student, pursuing not only the academic subjects but dreams in universities, we are often caught with thoughts and thresholds of our mind between the right and the wrong, between something which is ideal and something pragmatic. This often gives questions, if not to all, but some of the concerned minds. Dear friends, today as we interact with the learned minds and the leader of the country, the Honorable Prime Minister, I am confident you will have the best of the takeaways from these interactions. This is the best of the time, this is also the worst of the time. The youth is the prime of our life, the most precious gift of the life, and the most energetic, the most confused at times. This is where the vision of Prime Minister has become central to our nation building process. Without the youth, we cannot think of having Viksit Bharat by 2047. The power, the abilities, the vision, the dreams is within you to unfold. Once again, with this, the ideal that the Prime Minister has opined for all of us. From the administration, we can only enforce the laws, we can only enforce certain directions, but it is the individual, it is me, it is you, what we actually take to our life.
To hereby pledge that I will not consume any harmful or intoxicating substance in any form or for any purpose, and I will also encourage I resolve to make an active contribution to my family, friends, relatives, every person I come in contact with, aware of the ill effects of substance abuse, and will contribute fully towards.
Really privileged that the Prime Minister Modi gave us the opportunity to represent the voice of India's youth. And what we learned today is how to say no to abuse substance, to drug addictive substance, and stay away from those substances and keep our family and the young generation safe from those things. Thank you. Yes, I want to give the message to the youth that only addiction is not the sort of substance by chemicals. It is sort of digital well-being too. Don't get too much addicted to the screen as well as online betting and adult filming. Stay away from this and keep yourself and your family friends healthy too. Thank you.
We are grateful to Honorable Prime Minister Sir for giving us an opportunity to voice out our opinions, and also for choosing USTM amongst the Northeastern University for this wonderful program. We are really grateful to the Prime Minister and also to the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Government of India. So from this program today, we have learned the ill effects of substance abuse. So we as students, I think especially in this generation, it is very important for us to pledge against such practice. So this is the kind of inspiration that we have gotten from this program today. Thank you so much.